First night Cardi lenses, I can front the trenches. Now I'm running Benz. Switch game with extensions. I'm still independent. I ain't never sold my soul.
YouTube, man, what is good, bro? So as y'all can see, y'all probably can't tell where we at, but look, man, we get, as y'all see by the title, man, we get in the car. I'm getting the car. Getting the car, man. Process is almost done. I'm about to go ahead and pay right now. I'm paying it off. It's my car. You know what I'm saying? My car. No payments, just insurance. My car. Doing that thing, man. And yeah, I ain't gonna show y'all what car I get until later on in the video, but I just had to start it. You know what I'm saying? I went on a test drive, car drive smooth. You know what I'm saying? We got a good deal on it. You know what I'm saying? What you think?
I like it. Passenger princess back in full effect.
You know what I'm saying? I'm excited. You know what I'm saying? I've been out of a car for like 5 months, bro. I've been riding with her. I've been the passenger prince. You know what I'm saying? So yeah.
But you act like a princess, so.
Whatever. The deal is done. Show y'all the car, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna hit y'all whenever the deal done.
I want that neck so bad.
About to pay right now, man. We about to pay. They don't say how much I'm paying, but we about to pay. Let's do it.
What you got?
See.
How much is front on that car? I'm just
$200. Too, man, we in the car. I know y'all can't see what type of car it is. That's because, as y'all can see, it's dark outside. So I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to give y'all the in-depth tour of the car or whatnot. You know, I got my bags from school. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to give y'all the in-depth tour of the car and stuff. And I'm gonna go take it to get it washed and stuff. So y'all gonna see all that. And yeah, man. So we in the car, man. How you feel about the new car?
good. I feel so proud of you.
We in the fishbowl, man. We gotta get tents soon. Gotta get tents. It's not bad, but we gotta get tents soon. We gotta get Apple CarPlay, and yeah, we gotta get some new floor mats and stuff. So yeah, all that's coming on the car tour, on the decorative car tour. The you know what I'm saying, the fully decorated car tour. I'm gonna do a video on that too as well when I get all my stuff together. But yeah, man, I'm in the car, so I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Actually, we about to go get something to eat, so I'm gonna show y'all what we eating and stuff, and then I'm gonna see y'all. After that, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow with the car tour and show y'all what car I got. So let's do it. What's good, YouTube, man? It is another day. I know I said I was gonna update y'all whenever we stopped and got some food, but it got late. It was like 12 o'clock, so I wasn't able to update y'all properly. So we here now. I know I said I was gonna clean the car on camera too as well, but yesterday I was recording and it got real windy outside, and while I was recording, I played the audio back and you couldn't hear anything. So I went ahead and cleaned it yesterday off camera, and I know I ain't showed y'all it yet, but I'm about to go ahead and show y'all right now. Are y'all ready to see it? Y'all ready? Y'all ready to see what car I got? This is the car that I got. It is a 2012 Dodge Avenger, man. This is my first Dodge. And so I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a tour. You know what I'm saying? It's the front, not crazy. It was way dirtier than this. I know it's not properly cleaned, but it was way worse than this before I cleaned it. So this is the front, you know what I'm saying, out the grill. And I actually got this for a good deal at a used car dealership. So, and it's in good condition to be used. So, you know what I'm saying, I only have one owner, you know what I'm saying? These tires will be getting changed. I'm blacking out the tires for sure. Blacking out the tires, getting tint, getting dark tint on it. You know what I'm saying? That'll be coming in the tour as well. You know what I'm saying? It's not too bad for a used car, right? You know what I'm saying? This is the car I bought a couple days ago. It's the back. Ain't got no tag yet, you know what I'm saying? I go get my tag tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? It's the other side right here. You know what I'm saying? I can't wait to get tint because I do not like riding in the fishbowl, man. I hate riding in the fishbowl. How y'all messing with it? I like it. I think it's perfect for me. What y'all think I should do with this front cage right here? Should I do this all black or should I just leave it like that? I don't know what to do with that yet. I don't know. So we're gonna see. I think about changing the lights too as well. These lights, you know what I'm saying, they kind of dirty and rusty and crusty, so I'm thinking about changing those too. I don't really know yet, but that's just the car, man. You know what I'm saying? It's the outside tour. I know y'all want to see the inside, so I'm gonna go ahead and take y'all in the inside. We in the back, man. Like I said, this is a 2012, so there's really nothing like special about this car. It's an older model, but I'll mess with it. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what type of seats these are. They're like mesh black right here, and then they got some type of, or is this the mesh black? I don't know, but it's two different types of fabrics on this side and like where you sit at, you know what I'm saying? So This is the back, you know what I'm saying? It's really, I don't know if y'all can tell on camera, but it's really kind of spacious back here. I got this seat. I got both of these seats all the way pulled back, so I don't really know if y'all can see well enough to see how much room it is, but it's way more room than my last car. If y'all go look on my last car, I did a car tour on my channel, and I showed y'all my last car that I had, and my last car had not even half this space. Like, it was crazy. But yeah, this is the back. Let me get out so y'all can see. So this is the back, man. Y'all get a little better view. You know what I'm saying? Everything is like intact. I like that this is a used car, and like everything in it is not like messed up or nothing. Like ain't really no stains on the seat. You know what I'm saying? Ain't really nothing wrong with the door except for this thing right here on that side is off. That's really the only thing that's wrong at the back. And I gotta take it to the car wash because I hand washed it. So I gotta take it to the car wash and actually vacuum. I gotta take it to the car wash and actually vacuum because I didn't get to do that. So I'm gonna take y'all to the front now. All right, this is the front. I'm in the front right now. And if y'all see my eyes red, I just got out of the shower. I got soap on my eyes and stuff. So this is the front right here. This is the passenger side. A lot of room up here. I love how this dips down. Like, I love how this dips down right here. And then like bulge up. So it's like more leg space, more leg room. In my last car, I did not have that. It was so tight in my last car, bro. But yeah, only thing I don't like is I got this envelope that I can't put in my glove compartment because there ain't enough room. It's so small in here. So I just got these papers sitting out of here. This is my insurance paper. But I like how they gave me a little, I guess it's like a registration case that you can put your registration, your insurance and stuff in. So I like that they gave me that. I'm definitely gonna use that here in a second to put all that in there. This is the passenger side right here. Not too special about it. A lot of room. I love how it's a lot of room though. This is the front dash. We will be getting Apple CarPlay in here. Apple CarPlay is definitely going in here. I'm not having another car that don't have Apple CarPlay. I experienced Apple CarPlay one time and I fell in love with it. So yes, I'm definitely getting Apple CarPlay in here. No cap, I'm getting Apple CarPlay. But you know what I'm saying? This is the radio, turn it up and everything. We got the AC down here. AC blow out real good. I love the AC. I love the heat, all that. Hazard lights. You could do CDs, but this ain't gonna be right here for long because you know what I'm saying? I'm taking it out, but you do got the CDs for right now. This is where all the air blow out. Y'all know that. You know what I'm saying? This is the dash, gas, how much fast you going. This is a used car, so it got 152,000 miles, which I'm not mad at. I like the Dodge symbol that's right here. Pretty good, pretty cool. I will be getting the steering wheel cover. Like, I just got this car 2 days ago, so I ordered all my car accessories that's gonna be coming like the next week. So y'all will be seeing that. Mirror type clean, though. With the mirrors type clean. You know what I'm saying? Got this. This is a little foggy or whatever. I might change this. I'm actually gonna order another one of these on Amazon so I can get another one because this one is foggy. I don't like how foggy that one is. You know what I'm saying? It's the other one. I think this one cleaner. Yeah, this one cleaner than that one. So I'm gonna change that because I don't like how foggy that one is. But yeah, these are controls right here, man. Yeah. I'm gonna have to push this steering wheel up because I think my mama drove it yesterday and she put the steering wheel down. So I like my steering wheel up a little bit. So yeah, this the car, man. We got the gear shift right here. Mats will be getting changed out. I know they dirty. Don't worry about that. Mats are gonna get changed out. Everything in this car, y'all gonna see in the decorated car tour. So I ain't saying it no more, but y'all gonna see in the decorated car tour. Everything gonna be changed, man. You know what I'm saying? Cup holders, cool. These actually light up when at nighttime and stuff. Got the gear shift. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So that's pretty cool. I love this big cubby right here. This is a big cubby like change or, you know what I'm saying, if you want to put your wallet in there, anything you want to put in there, man, it's a lot of room to put stuff in there. So I mess with that heavy. So yeah, that's that. Over here, what I got to get used to is this thing right here that like you can adjust your mirrors with and stuff. I'm used to like a little switch that you just pull right and you press down and up. You know what I'm talking about? Y'all know, some of y'all will know. But this you got to twist and then you got to turn and stuff like that. Like watch. So so if I wanted to move this one over here, you know what I'm saying? I have to twist it to right and move it. But if I want to twist the driver's side, I'll twist the driver's side. Watch. You feel me? So I got to get used to that because I wasn't too used to that. You know what I'm saying? Lock, all the windows, control, and stuff like that. So yeah. But yeah, man, this is the car. Let me zoom out so y'all can see. This is the car. You know what I'm saying? It's an Audemars 2012, like I said. But we will be doing some upgrades. We probably will be doing some mods in here as well. On the outside of the car, like I told you, I'm gonna get black rims, so I will be doing mods on the car too, and y'all coming along for that journey for that as well. But y'all tell me how y'all like the car, man. I mess with it a lot, man. It's only my second car. This only my second car. Like I said, this car is paid off, so I don't have to make no payments on this car. So this is my car. All I gotta do is pay insurance. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I will definitely tell y'all to go buy your own car, man. Take that route. And if y'all can buy a newer model, do that. Me, I'm a college student. You know what I'm saying? I don't work a full-time job right now, so I bought what I could. You know what I'm saying? Not mad at it. I hope this car lasts a long time. I feel like it will, though. You know what I'm saying? So that's the car tour. I'm actually gonna take y'all on a little POV drive, so come along for the little POV drive. I might drive around the block or whatever. Can't get pulled over because I don't got no tags, but yeah. I'm about to take y'all on a little POV drive right now, show y'all how it's driving. I ain't doing no I ain't gonna like pull it or nothing like that, because I don't trust it like that yet. So let's go, man. All right, we driving right now. Let me turn that music down so I don't get copyrighted, but we driving right now. Take y'all around the block a little bit, nothing too crazy. Just showing y'all how it drive. I ain't gonna go too far because, like I said, I ain't got no tag. So yeah, I don't want to get pulled over or anything. I mean, I got papers in here that's good for 72 hours, but like I said, I just don't want to get pulled over. You know, in today's society, you know what I'm saying? You know how it is. So I just don't want to get pulled over right now. But yeah. Drive real smooth for a 2012, you know what I'm saying, older model. It drives real smooth and I like that. So let's see, which way should I go? I'm gonna go right. Drives real smooth, man. Pull into these apartments and turn around real quick. Oh, would you look at that? Look at that. Same car, just blue. You know what I'm saying? Pretty sick. Love it, man. I love it. I love it. I love it. Only thing I would say I don't like about this car for real is that the seats set up real high. Like I got the seats down as low as they can go, and I'm still like sitting up like kind of high. So that's really kind of the only thing I don't really like. Yeah, that's really it for sure. All right, turning back into the neighborhood. So I'm gonna put the camera down a little bit so y'all don't see the sign. But yeah, that's how we do it, man. POV drive. I'm gonna cut the camera off because I don't want y'all to see my neighborhood for real. So yeah. All right, we back, y'all. So tell me how y'all like the video. Tell me how y'all like the car. And yeah, so I will be doing an updated car tour in like a month, but that's not gonna be my next video. That'll probably be like the third or fourth video after this. So yeah, so tell me how y'all like the car, man. I like it. I think it drives real good. And yeah, man, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace out. Comment down below how y'all like the car.